Hey everybody, the package has arrived. The Kinder Joy is now here, but I don't know if this is the Valentine's Day or the original version, just because we just started early on the 15th. I'm going to open it outside so I could, I don't know if this is the Easter one, because I don't know if they got switched it. I couldn't buy it at the store just because, oh yeah, this is the Valentine's Day. Alright, finally. Okay, let's start opening here. Okay, I know Valentine's Day is over already, but finally, I couldn't buy it at the store, but we just got it. I'll show you right now. Yep, this is the Valentine's Day. Well, Valentine's Day is already over, as you can see here. Well, it's a little broken just because of the delivery took forever. Jesus Christ, my tripod. Alright guys, here it is. It took like a long order way. Alright everybody, so we just print the new better version of Lolo the dog and Rosie the rabbit. Yeah, here it is guys. I love it. Alright. Well, I don't know if I could stand Lolo right here. I think this is good. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna take a picture of the thumbnail. I don't think this is good actually. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Alright everybody, we're unboxing this.
Alright, got the ponies right here.
Yeah, Applejack wants to see it too. Yeah, I can't wait to unbox it.
Alright. So, the new version of Rosie the Rabbit and Lola, are you excited?
Yeah.
Fluttershy, what do you think?
Oh my god, it's not Valentine's Day already. How did it get arrived on March early? Lately.
Fluttershy, don't try the screen, please. I noticed that the Amazon just arrived with the Kinder Joy of Valentine's Day. We couldn't go to the store on Valentine's Day just because they were sold out. That's why we just ordered it today.
Okay then. Don't hug me, Fluttershy.
Okay then, Fluttershy, just calm down. Jesus Christ. Alright. We're coming with this. We're coming with us, Rosie the rabbit and Lola the dog.
Okay then. I hope you guys like it. Like it.
Sorry about that. Right, Elinor?
Yeah. I can't wait to see it.
Alright, we have 6 extra prices. Right, Elodie?
Yeah.
Milo? Bia? I think it's Nino? Yeah, Nino?
Yeah.
So Mario Luigi, take Caillou, please. Good. Starting today, we're going to discontinue the all-paper dog character since we don't use it anymore, just because I was using the new ones, right, Sadie?
Yeah.
Even though I like those shows, with Hey Dougie, Lou and the Bolly Bunch, and others.
Hey everybody, I'm Baby Shark.
Oh, no. Baby Shark, please leave now, because I really hate your show just because I decided to hate it. Well, I prefer the original one. Well, I'm neutral to it.
What about me?
Real Dandy, you're not allowed. You're not welcome, just because you throw a fit.
Oh no, what are you taking me?
Also, we're gonna discontinue the Hungry Pumpkin since Thanksgiving is already over, and so does Halloween. But don't worry, the Hungry Pumpkin will return until Halloween, right, Lou?
Yeah.
And we're gonna discontinue the party gangs from South Park. The party gangs from South Park, what I just call it, right, Carl?
Yeah.
We're gonna discontinue all of them.
Yeah. We don't use it no more just because we were busy with the new ones.
Alright, Ping Pong. Right, Kit.
Yeah.
Also, we're gonna discontinue I just printed back in October, the Lola the dog and the Rosie.
Wait, you're the new ones, I'm the old ones?
Yes, we're gonna discontinue yours.
Oh no, 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 no. Don't discontinue me.
And JJ from Cocomelon, I'm not happy. Go with Mario Luigi with Caillou. I will get Rosie. Alright, we're gonna discontinue these. Thomas, no, I'm not cool.
Yeah, I agree.
Yep, Ella. August, take care of those.
Okay then, I hug you.
Alright, we're gonna start unboxing the Kinder X. But we're gonna discontinue the Lady Burloo wearing pajamas, but we're gonna use it for daylight saving. So I'm going to stay it.
Yeah, what about me?
Horror Henry, I think I'm neutral, but you can join them just because some channels are very naughty.
Yeah, what about me?
You could join also. July, what do you think?
Yeah, I will take care of them. Come on, Rosie, we gotta go.
Alright, you stand up.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. Cusley, I'm not cool. Jesus Christ, Cusley, stop throwing the camera. Alright, Rosie.
Wait, another Rosie the rabbit? And I'm the ginger hair? Yeah. You're not cooler, I'm better.
Alright, let's start unboxing. You can guys skip line up.
Alright, everybody, hope you guys like it.
Alright, we're gonna go hurry. And Chloe, what do you think?
I hope you guys like this.
Alright, we're gonna start unboxing with Hey Kate, Olive. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, we're gonna start unboxing.
Yep. Hugs you.
Alright, son, we gotta start now because it's getting late because we're gonna go run some errands today.
Okay.
Alright, little princess. No, you're not welcome. No. Alright.
Yeah. Can't wait to unbox it.
Alright. Now all of them are lined up.
Yeah.
Now let's start unboxing. And Chili Healer. Chili Healer, you can take care of them.
Okay then, come on. We gotta go. Since Axel hates your show, that's why.
Alright. Have fun. Alright. Since the bratty characters are gone just because I just hate those shows. Chili Healer, Luna, Learning Book Dog, and all of them are here.
Yeah.
Alright, Lou and Declan, you can take a seat. Alright. It took 7 minutes of lining up the characters. Alright, let's start unboxing the Kinder Joy Valentine's Day. Well, Valentine's Day is already over. It just arrived late. So here you go. Also, we're gonna write 2 for a bow. I'm not gonna write since Valentine's Day is already over. So let's start unboxing this. Let's see go. Alright. I hope it's not expired. Next time we're gonna do the Easter ones. Until Friday. Alright, let's start with the first egg surprise. Here's the toy. Ooh, we got a pigeon. Looks like a pigeon. Yep, we got a... I think it looks like a seagull or a pigeon or a chicken. It looks like a rooster or a chicken, actually. I don't know. Or a hen. They have stickers. And a flyer. Or our instructions or menu or something. Collection. Alright, we're gonna open this one. We're gonna open this chocolate pudding. Jesus Christ. All right. Next one. We're gonna skip that one since I already ate it. Oh, we got a keychain bracelet. Here's the flyer. It's 8 o'clock right now. Here to Westminster from the Westchester County Courthouse. I hear this every day since 2023. The first time. I think it's a chime master. I don't know if it is a chime master. Or a version. Alright. Next one. Another bracelet. We're not going to build this since I already did it, so I'm going to build it in person instead of the video. And the flyer. I wonder why. I remember Disney Collector, but sadly she got terminated. I don't know why. That channel's from my childhood. Disney Collector. She makes surprise eggs videos. And the funny part is, the lady said, we got a flyer. And it's like a collection or something. Stickers. Oh, we got what animal is this? Let me see. I think it looks like Bigfoot or a hedgehog or something. I don't know what animal is this, but you can tell me in the comments. I think it might be hold on, let me see. I'm trying to take a look at the flyer. I think that looks like a hedgehog. Now we already have a pigeon, and I think it's looked like a hedgehog or something. All right, we got two of these just like in the flyer. We got a bird or a pigeon or a chicken, or yeah, I think it's a chicken. And I think that doesn't look like a hedgehog, or I don't know what animal is this. Maybe I don't know. You can tell me in the comments. I don't know what animal is that. All right, you know what? I'm gonna build these quick. All right, there we go. The bracelet is done. Except for this one, actually. Wait, I think it's this one. I think it's twisted. All right, there we go. Alright, let's see go. 2 bracelets are done. Alright, looks like, alright, we got 1, 2, 3 chocolate puddings. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the garbage. Alright, let's put these away. Except for the chocolate pudding, we're gonna keep it. Alright. 2 more eggs left. Sorry about that. Don't have much time. Alright, let's keep this right here. Let's put the flyers away. And the stickers. And some spoons. The spoon just changed it already. It kind of look the spoon's kind of similar to a human's body, human's face spoon version. But this one kind of looks like a tongue to me. They changed the spoon similar to a human face body. Alright, I'm not gonna put these flyers or stickers in the garbage. Well, I don't need to put those characters in the garbage. Alright, 2 more eggs left. Well, I'm not gonna eat the chocolate since I already ate it. I'm gonna keep the spoons right here. Alright. Ooh, we got a lamb or a sheep. It's easy. Alright, wow. Let's see what else they have. Stickers. Well, we don't need it actually. I don't know if they don't. These are just stickers. And the flyer. And here's the flyer. Oh, I don't think you don't need stickers actually. Yeah, I think so. I don't think you don't need stickers. I don't know if they don't. Yep, I don't need stickers. Here's the flyer. Alright, last extra price. I'm going to count. Oh, another bracelet? Wow. Here's the flyer. No stickers. Just the pieces. This time we're going to do time lapse. Now we finished the bracelet. Let's see. We got three bracelets or necklace or something. I don't know. I think 3 bracelet arms and 3 animals toys. We got 1, 2. Let's start with the chicken or pigeon. 1, 2, 3. 3 animals. 1, 2, and 3 bracelet necklace or something. All right, let's count. Get ready and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surprises toys. All right, everybody, that was it. And 6. Oh, wait, but we only have 5 chocolates. So, ponies, do you want some chocolate? Since I already ate mine, except for Fluttershy, since she is a shy guy girl.
Yeah, I want some chocolates.
Alright then.
Yay, I got mine. Yes, yes. Wait, what about me? Pinkie Pie wants some chocolate. Oh my god. Oh wow, yay, 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 chocolate. Applejack wants some.
Alright. Alright, enjoy your chocolates, the 5 of them.
Wait, where's my chocolate?
Fluttershy, I think everybody, 5 ponies has chocolates. Guess what? Alright, you can go to the bed.
Oh no, what about me? Oh my god, did you steal my chocolate? You didn't save it for me. No, no.
Alright, everybody. Looks like we're gonna discontinue early about the Elinor and Friends character series. We're gonna discontinue Hungry Pumpkin, the party gangs from South Park, Blue wearing pajamas, and all of them. We're gonna discontinue Lola and Rosie, since we already put the new version, the Hug version and the Holding the Banana version. And we're gonna discontinue these. Are gonna get discontinued early, since we don't use it no more. I will find out if I could discontinue some more Elinor Friends characters, just because it is due for high characters ink or something. I mean, no, due for a lot of characters for this when I go travel places. All right, everybody, hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching, and look at this. Those ponies are eating chocolate right now at the bed. Now look at this. Go on the right side.